vocês, amigos? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a 2-week review on this hair that I bought from Unice. It is a 24-inch curly hair. I think it's in honey blonde, T13, whatever color style this is, but I believe it's honey blonde brown colorway. And it's curly hair, like I said, 24 inches, frontal wig. And I got this installed on May 24th and it is now June 6th. So I'm just going to be doing a 2-week update and how I style this. So this is the products that I use right now. I was using a spray bottle as well as this Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. But I'm stupid. I should have automatically hit up my cousin's cousin who had curly hair before I even got this installed, just to ask her what product she used. And she told me to cop the Cream of Nature mousse, so I got this from Rite Aid. And I got a spray bottle full of water and conditioner, and the conditioner that I put in the spray bottle is this Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and it has avocado and Australian jojoba oil, and it's paraben free. So I use this to wash my wigs and shit. So yeah. So and it's gonna be a quick little get ready with me because I got to go. It's gonna be a little extra shit because I don't wear lashes like that anymore. I just put on mascara, but I'm just going to be extra as shit, and I just love to promote people. So it's gonna be featuring Suck It Up products, duh. So yeah, so this is the lashes that I'm going to be using today from Suck It Up. And this lash style is called Last Link I Swear. And the lip gloss I'm going to be using today is the Soul Snatcher. And let me tell y'all, I gave the lerps while wearing this shit, and boy, did I... What? This shit was made to suck shit up. So that's exactly what I did, and it was a success, clearly, because I didn't receive any complaints. So so yeah, so if you guys want to see how I style this hair and everything, then please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this is what you're gonna do. Well, this is what I do. I normally do this in the bathroom, but I'm not bringing my ring light all the way in the bathroom, so that's a dub. I need to invest in a hot comb and the style wax because I like this shit to be flat, and it is not flat how I would want it to be, but it's okay. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or what. I just might. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover after all. So I'm just going to be taking my spray bottle and I'm putting a generous amount of water on my hair, and I'm going to detangle it using a brush. Then I'm going to spray some more water throughout the hair, and then I'm going to take a dime size amount of conditioner here, and I'm just going to put that through my hair before I brush it some more and add more water into it. Now I'm going to take the Creme of Nature Styling Mousse and put about maybe 2 pumps, and I'm just going to put that throughout my hair, and I'm also going to scrunch it as well. And then I'm going to brush through that again and wet it some more and scrunch it some more. Now we're going to work on the other section. So we're just going to be doing the same thing. You're going to wet the hair, then you're going to comb through the hair, then you're going to wet the hair again, then you're going to put conditioner on it, then you're going to brush the hair again, then you're going to add some mousse, and then you're going to put the mousse through your hair. And voila! Here you go. We're going to call this the wet hair look. Yes, girl. Twirl. Well, you barely did, but all right, there you go. Okay, all right, girl. All right, next. All right, so now I'm just going to be putting a little bit of eyeliner. So I'm just going to make a quick wing, and then I'm just going to put, I don't know,
is this like the fox look? Yeah, this is the fox look. So I'm just going to put a little line like where my inner tear duct is. And now I'm just going to add some mascara before I put on the lashes.
So now to finish it off, I'm just going to put on the Soul Snatcher lip gloss. Yeah, I felt like with this particular lip gloss, the consistency is different. I feel like this consistency is more thick than the other two lip glosses that I have, because with the other two lip glosses, they're thick when you put the wand inside and get the product in to put on your lips, but once you put it on your lips itself, it's like a smooth light finish. Whereas with this one, it's thick all around. Thick when you put the wand in and thick when you put it on your lips. I think this shit is really to suck dick, because and let me just shut up. But and this one doesn't have like a sweet smell to it either. It's like a regular smell, but in my opinion. But yeah, I feel like this particular lip gloss, you knew what you was doing with this particular lip gloss. Like, you knew that somebody was gonna give somebody the lurps or suck on the strap, but you knew what you was doing, and I ain't mad at it. But yeah, this is how I style my wig on an everyday basis. I think that it's a lot. People say that curly hair is low maintenance. Bitch, you lied. To me, it's high maintenance. I think any type of hair texture is high maintenance in my opinion, because you always gotta do something to it either way. So yeah, so I'm gonna go now. So yeah, bye.